Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures, and welcome if you're new. I'm Courtney, and I love sharing my passion for decorating, DIYs, thrift lifts, shopping hauls, and more. Honey, you are getting the whole entire lifestyle right here. So if you enjoy that type of content, you have reached the right channel. I'm starting off today with a beautiful red runner. Then I'm coming in with some DIY rose petal chargers that I created. And I also created the matching wine glasses from 2 Dollar Tree wine glasses, red Dollar Tree plates, and these beautiful thrifted candle holders. The larger I picked up for $3.99 and the smaller was $4.99. Well, I think that's in reverse. But anyway, they are absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to fill one with florals and put a candle in the other. So now let's move on to the coffee bar area. I removed the decor that I had there currently, and I come in with a simple red napkin on top of the riser. Then I replace my apothecary jars, which have hot cocoa mix and some cookies in the other. I come in next with the matching mugs to the red plates, a red and white beautiful little teapot and creamer that I thrifted, and some red heart scatter. And there we have it, a beautiful little coffee bar area and countertop. And I hope you like it. Now on to the reveal. Now, if you're enjoying today's video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And while you're at it, consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. Honey, it's free, it's quick, and it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new videos. I want to thank all of my subscribers, those who have been with me since the very beginning, and all of my new subscribers. I love you guys so much, and I thank you for your support. I hope you enjoyed today's video and that it gives you inspiration to update your counter and coffee bar area for Valentine's Day. Thank you again for watching, and until next time.